Keith was clarifying for me at noontime today that our chances of snow are very high.
Yes.
We're just not talking about a lot of snow.
Not really. These clipper systems that we're going to get tonight into tomorrow morning don't typically have a lot of moisture associated with them, so they can't give us a lot of snow. But I mean, almost all of us are going to see snow overnight.
And the timing, of course, is really what we're going to feel the impact for.
Exactly. Thursday night into Friday morning. It's going to be a quick moving system, though. I'll discuss more about that in just a few minutes. But our high temperatures for today, much warmer than we were yesterday. We got into the mid to upper 30s, 37 today in Portland, 37 in Rockland as well, 35 in Bangor, which is right around average for our high temperature this year, or this month, excuse me. But it certainly feels a lot warmer because we had that sunshine and the wind was a little bit less so than yesterday. Now, we also had plenty of sunshine out there today. Visible satellite imagery earlier in the day not showing any cloud cover, though later in the afternoon we did start to see some clouds moving in through Vermont and New Hampshire from west to east, and this is associated with that clipper system that's going to give us some of those snow showers overnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning. So here's our clipper system right now bringing some snow showers into northern New York State and some rain into Pennsylvania. So we'll start to see that snow begin to move into our area really in the next couple of hours. Overnight low temperatures tonight, though, we're going to drop down into the upper teens to lower 20s. So this will be right in the sweet spot for us to start accumulating some of that snow on grassy surfaces and untreated roads overnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning. So here's a look at our hour-by-hour forecast. So later tonight, we'll start to build in some more of that cloud cover, and then those snow showers are going to begin to move in right around 10 to 11 p.m. tonight into areas of western Maine. So overall, it's going to be rather light snow, but it is going to be around the time of the early morning commute. I would say the heaviest bands would set up really around the mid-coast area near south of Augusta and Wiscasset. And we'll start to have some of the snow begin to break up right around the morning commute time. However, I think it'll still be slippery enough where we will see some disruptions with the Friday morning commute. But really, right around lunchtime, most of the snow is already out of our area. Just a couple of snow flurries throughout western Maine in the afternoon on Friday. And by dinner time, we've even lost some of the cloud cover associated with that system in southern Maine. So it's a pretty quick moving system, but we will see a couple of inches in a rather short amount of time. So that's something to keep in mind for early tomorrow morning. Then that really sets us up for a pretty nice weekend. For Saturday, we'll have a system pass to our south, so we will have a couple of snow showers during the afternoon, and it'll be a little bit cloudier, but then that'll clear out for the day on Sunday, which is expected to be sunnier, but a little bit colder than the day on Saturday. So here's our snowfall map. So in western Maine, 1 to 3 inches, though I could see about 3 to 5 possible south of Augusta, and then really north and east of Bangor, really just a coating to about 1 inch. Like I mentioned, these clipper systems don't tend to have a lot of moisture associated with them, but still 1 to 3 inches. For not having any snow in February so far, I think the snow levelers will be a fan of that. So then throughout the weekend, I mentioned those snow showers possible on Saturday. And then there's another clipper system that comes through on Monday. However, it looks like it's going to get caught up in the mountains a little bit. So a couple of snow showers possible on Monday, but not really looking at any accumulation at all there with that system. So our marine forecast sees 2 to 4 feet. We've got that gale warning in effect until Friday because we've got some gusty winds as that clipper system moves in for Friday. So 7-day forecast wise, we got that snow coming in overnight tonight into early Friday morning. Could see some delays possible early Friday, but Brian, that system will move out relatively quickly and it'll set us up for a pretty nice weekend. But no really big snow in this forecast period.
Yeah, the clipper system will be so fast, we'll blink, it'll be gone. All right, Dana, thanks so much.